When you use your 11-12 Explorer, you want the handle pretty much parallel to the face. You don't want it away from the face like this because now that tip's going to get caught in the contact. The terminal shank should be parallel, meaning the handle should be pretty much on the patient's nose if you're working in the anteriors here. Another thing you want to keep an eye out for is a very light grasp. You don't want the knuckles flexing at all. You want it nice and light because then you'll be able to have better tactile sensitivity. So if you feel something with this 11-12, you're going to grab your instrument right then. When you explore, you're going to do just nice light 2 mm strokes up and down. Calculus is a bump. Then when you're going to grab your instrument, if your calculus is just a little bit rough, there's not a big deposit, and your instrument sharp, your angulation is correct, you really only need like 2 or 3 strokes to remove it. And then go back and double check with your 11-12 Explorer to make sure it's fully off to have the best results for our patients, which is amazing. This is pretty cool what we do.